Hello kids! Our today's topic is states of matter. In this video, we are going to study about matter like difference between visible and invisible matter. Matter can be living and non-living, and how matter can be classified as solid, liquid and gas. So let's start study. What is matter? Anything that has weight and occupies space is called matter. You know kids, matter is everywhere and everything around us is made up of matter. Matter we can see, touch, feel or can be smell. Few examples: trees, animals, humans, books, table, a road, etc. Let's study its properties. First, matter has mass or weight. Next, matter occupies space or volume. Anything which is kept anywhere and it occupies space or any volume. Next, matter includes both living or non-living. Like I gave you the example, trees, animals, humans. These all are living matters, and non-livings are books, chairs, table and so many. Non-living things can be natural and man-made. For example, non-living natural matters are air, water, soil, etc. Man-made non-living things are car, house, sofa, road, etc. Matter can be visible or invisible, like air around us, gases around us. These cannot be seen. They are invisible matter. Matter is made up of tiny molecules. Matters can be found in three different forms or state: solid, liquid and gas. Let's understand the solid matter. In solid matter, molecules are tightly packed and form a rigid shape and volume. Also, solid neither change its shape nor can flow. Example: table, chair, clock, pencil box, bag, etc. In liquid matter, molecules has a definite volume but not shape. Liquid can flow and can be poured. They take the shape of the container they are poured in. Example: water, oil, milk, etc. Gas or gaseous matter. This matter does not have definite shape and volume. Gases fill all the available space. Examples: air, water vapor, etc. So kids, here we cover the topic of what is matter and states of matter. I hope you understood it well. Now, I will meet you in my next video with some interesting topic of science. Do like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.